Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. This invite to Tactical Tuesday is a little bit different. I'm not showing you the slideshow pictures of everything going on that we're going to be talking about, because what we're talking about is about you and you're getting involved in your local government, both city and county. And we're going to be talking about reasons why we as preppers, homesteaders, and just citizens need to be involved with our local government. I think it's going to be a very important topic that we need to go over, and we really need to take this to heart. So I'll see you here tonight on GrayManPrepping, Tactical Tuesday at 10 o'clock Eastern.